Hello everyone, are you encountering the message, "This item is not available in your country" when attempting to download applications or content from the Google Play Store? This might happen due to regional licensing agreements. Regional licensing agreements are Google Play Store country settings. This video will provide a clear explanation of why this occurs and present effective step-by-step solutions to resolve it. Solution 1. Clear cache. First, go to your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find and tap on the Play Store. Then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache and Data. Solution 2. Use a VPN. Download a reliable VPN app from the Play Store. Open the VPN and connect to a country where the app is available. You can connect USA. These methodologies effectively address the "this item is not available in your country" error. If this instructional video has proven beneficial, kindly consider providing a like and subscribing to our channel for further technical guidance. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.